Presenting the Noise Colorfit NAV smartwatch in camo green color. It comes with an LCD screen with high resolution display to provide sharp and easy to read fine text and graphics. The smartwatch features a 1.4-inch full touchscreen for easy controls. Noise Colorfit NAV is rated IP68, making it rainproof and sweatproof. The smartwatch functions for up to 4 days on a single charge. It is Android and iOS compatible. Noise Colorfit NAV comes with 10 sports modes to track your indoor and outdoor fitness activities. With 6 axis sensors, it can track steps and calorie burned with high precision and accuracy. It even gives you sedentary alerts and hand wash reminders. The smartwatch comes with built-in GPS to track your runs and other outdoor activities with accuracy. You can also view the GPS maps for completed activities. Receive all your text, call and social media notifications on the watch. You can also control your music player and camera with this watch. It comes with customizable and cloud-based watch faces that lets you personalize the look of your Colorfit NAV. Inside the box you will find Colorfit NAV smartwatch, charging dock and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.